Families are excited, the staff is having a great time. Every child's walking out with a new backpack that's filled with supplies. It just makes our heart warm, and we know that they're ready for here this school year.
They're like my BFFs.
So we're real excited about the movement that we have here and moving Lyndon McKinley forward.
And I'm very, very happy to see the students here and see them get welcomed in. Very excited for that. That's basically telling us as students that we have staff and community leaders that's out here that's really here to help us, that's really here to support us and that actually cares about us. And I think that's going to make a difference in this year.